Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com. Today, Friday night, I'm making this video. The week ended, so just wanted to show what has happened and what's going to happen. So let's get started here. Week started on the Sunday, 25th, August 25th, and here you can see that this was my entry on last Friday. I mean, before that was on 23rd. And then 24 was Saturday and then Sunday. So that entry on Friday, that traveled all the way down here on, this is still 23rd, and as soon as the market opens up, I recorded the chart and closed the trade. So this is on Sunday basically, and after that here on Monday, big day. Monday was a big day. A lot of things were start moving. Because of a couple of news, right? So Euro-Aussie to the downside. I'll show you why Euro pair went down, by the way, at the end of the video. So on the 26th, Euro-Aussie went down here. Then you have Aussie Yen going to the upside because of the Yen strength. Showed up a little bit. And on the 26th, again, Pound Aussie because of the Aussie strength. You know, so, this pair came down, Euro-Aussie also, right? And here on the 26th, again, this is the second entry after the first one closed. Then this is a small, one more shot as a second entry on the 26th. Big moves happen on 26th. This is New Zealand Yen on the 26th. So a lot of trades on the 26th. EUR-CAD, again, this is a euro trade involving euro, and you'll see that euro went down, and I'll show you why. EUR-CAD on the 26th, right? And then 27, 28 was a couple of entries, but nothing concrete. So then on 29, USD franc long, it was taken on 26th, by the way. Okay, so this is the 26th entry, around like 27 actually. So 27 into all the way 29. And finally closed, because these pairs, USD pairs, USD franc, USD CAD, USD EUR-USD, they move very slow, so you gotta hold on to these trades. Here on the 28th, this is the entry on the 28th, and then I had another entry on the 29th. So these pound newsy, a couple of trades, and this is the one on the 28th, and this is the one on the 29th, the second one, while the first one was still alive. So these are a couple of trades on pound newsy based on pound weakness. And then on the 30th, again, you see that this was the first one, then it retraced, and then Euro-CAD gave another entry, beautiful, all the way down. Again, euro is involved. You will see some EUR-USD. This is the entry on the 26th, but I held all the way down to Friday, from Monday to Friday. And look, this is the pair that, from Monday to this whole week, this move, and even bigger than this, can happen in just one day in pair like Euro-Aussie, Pound Aussie. That's why I trade those pairs more than Euro-USD. The whole world is, the most traded pair in the world is Euro-USD nowadays, right? And it has been for a long time. But this is what it does. How are you gonna make pip out of this? Small moves, very small moves, and very small daily range. So that's the reason. Euro-Aussie, Pound Aussie, those are the big ones, the big movers. So let me show you why this is like Euro-CAD, and the one I missed was like, let me show you. This is the beautiful entry, but I just completely missed this one. Not Euro-USD, man. What am I showing here? This is the one. See that? Euro-Yen also gave a beautiful by the book entry here, which I didn't take. I'll tell you the reason. Because we are not in a very good situation right now. So all in all, it is very bad. The whole city is upside down right now. I'm gonna show you. Let me show you right now that this is what's happening here. See this here? This is the Hurricane Dorian is coming to our way, and it's a very big, monstrous hurricane. And they're saying that it is the worst after Hurricane Andrew in 1992. And I know what the Andrew was, and because I was in Miami at the time when I survived. And right here the Miami is, and they are telling that it may go right here somewhere. But look, this is such a big thing that it's just a move, little bit wobble, and then I'm done. Okay, so or a little bit wobble on the north, then I'll go to like Orlando or Jacksonville or something. So this is a huge monstrous. I mean, this area, whole area is like this, bigger than the state of Florida. So the eye is right there. This is the most dangerous part, and it is coming. You know, exactly. This is the cone. So this is covering. And the Miami is right there. So it's a little wobble here, and very dangerous. It's going to be very dangerous for me. And obviously, from here to here, the whole coastline is just, and I am at the coastline. You know, I'm right maybe a few miles in from the water, and a very dangerous area. So I don't know. I'm planning to stay. No matter what, I'll put my shutters on, and then I'll stay with my family and leave it on God. But yeah, the whole city is upside down. You cannot drive outside. It's like you have long line at gas stations, and grocery stores are empty. Water is gone. So it's a very, you know. So I was running around, you know, preparing myself as well. So now I have 2 more days, you know, Saturday and Sunday, and then game will begin from Sunday. Hopefully it will reach us. They were saying so Miami. I mean Monday and Tuesday, it will be touching the land. So let's see how it is, how it's gonna go. But yeah, that's why I miss a lot of trades. No big deal, but I still have it. So next week, hopefully, I will not be able to trade. But let me show you why I took all those euro short. Because of this index, euro index weekly chart that I made on December, and this is my Elliott wave count. A, B, and then C should be around here, and then it would be C will be coming in 4 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was saying that okay, wave 1 and wave 2 is in place already, and then wave 3 should be down here. Right, so far what happened to this is, let me show you weekly chart, is this. Okay, so there was 1 and 2, and then look, we came down here a little wobble to the upside, hit the TL, came down again, hit the TL, and now powerfully coming to the downside. And that is the reason why all the euro pairs, wherever the euro is always on the left hand side, right? Euro is the most strong currency of the world right now, more than pound. So EUR-AUD, euro-pound, euro is always. So euro going down, euro getting weaker, all the euro pairs, including EUR-AUD, euro-yen, euro-pound, EUR-USD, euro-yen, you know, and EUR-CAD, everything will be going down. And that's what's the reason. And another chart that I made for euro index, 33-minute chart a little while ago, August the 8th. It is a nice bearish girdle pattern, which is the first pullback is 61, second is 78, and then it usually goes down back to 23% line, and usually take this out and then go all the way to the downside. This supposedly be wave 1 and ABC2, followed by big wave 3 to the downside. So what happened to this chart so far, if you look at it, this is what happened to my girdle pattern. We are nicely dropping. We are already below this point and might be going to the downside, but maybe not. Why? Because we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 in place. So the time is there for a retracement. So I'm gonna make a new chart over the weekend and see if I can deliver that chart out for my subscriber before Sunday, because Monday, Tuesday I may not have the electricity. The first thing that goes out is the electricity, right? And then the internet. So that's what happens. So I will all I'm gonna have is like maybe some flashlights and candles, right? That's all. So let's see how it goes. All right. So pray for me and for all the Floridians to survive this monster hurricane. All right. So this is it for now, and hopefully talk to you guys next week sometimes if I survive. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.